Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to explain Python program to print half period using star. So this is the Python program to print half period using star. So rows is equal int of input of enter number of rows. So for example, now here I will enter number of rows is equal to 5. The number of rows is equal to 5. In the first for loop indicates number of rows, and the second for loop, this is the first for loop. So this first for loop indicates number of rows, and this is the second for loop. The second for loop indicates columns. So now here I enter number of rows. I is equal to 0 to 5. So for the range I is equal to 0 to 5 mean the range of I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 0, I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3, I is equal to 4. So these are the ranges of the I using this for loop for I in the range of rows 0 to 5. So range of 0 to 5 mean I is equal to 0 to 4. So I is equal to 0 indicates first row, I is equal to 1 indicates second row, I is equal to 2 indicates third row, I is equal to 3 indicates fourth row, I is equal to 5 indicates fifth row. And the second for loop represents columns. So now here in each iteration of the second loop, we print I plus 1 number of stars without a new line. In each iteration of the second for loop, this is the second for loop. In second for loop, in each iteration of this loop, we print I plus 1 number of stars without a new line. So I plus 1 number of stars without a new line mean, and the first value of I is 0. So the range of j is equal to 0 to I plus 1. So initial I value is 0, 0 plus 1 is, so range of 0 comma 1 means j is equal to 0. Okay, so one star will be printed without a new line. So j is equal to 0. So now here one star will be printed. Here row number gives the number of stars required to the printed on that row. So using this print function, it goes to the next line of the code, and the next value of the I is equal to 1. I is equal to 1 indicates second row. So for I is equal to 1, the range of the j is equal to 0 to 1 plus 1, 0 to j is equal to 0 to 2. So j is equal to 0. Range of 0 comma 2 mean the range of the j values are 0 and 1. 0 and 1. The range of the j is 0 and 1. So now here it will print 2 stars. In the second row it will print 2 stars. In the first column it print 1 star, and the second column it will print another star. Next, it move to the next item of the next I range value, next I value. The next value of the I is equal to 2. So I is equal to 2 indicates third row. So now here I is equal to 2. The range of the j is equal to 0 to 2 plus 1. So range of 0 to 3 mean range of the j is equal to 0, j is equal to 1, and j is equal to 2. J is equal to 1, j is equal to 2, j is equal to 2. In the third row, it will print 3 rows. And first star, second star, and third star. And it move to the using this print function, it go to the next line, next new line, and the next range of the I is equal to 3. I is equal to 3 indicates the number of rows are 4. So I is equal to 3. The range of the j is equal to 0 to 3 plus 1. So range of 0 to 4 mean the range of the j values are j is equal to 0, j is equal to 1, j is equal to 2, and j is equal to 3. J is equal to 3. So it will print, the star will be printed 4 times. Star will be printed 4 times in fourth row. And first star, second star, third star, and fourth star. And using this print function, it move to the next line, and next range of the I is equal to 4. So I is equal to 4 indicates fifth row, fifth row. So now here I is equal to 4. The range of the j is equal to 0 to 4 plus 1, 0 to 5. So range of 0 to 5 mean the values of the j are j is equal to 0, j is equal to 1, j is equal to 2, and j is equal to 4. In the fifth row, it will print 5 stars. In the fifth row, here it will print 5 stars. The star will be printed 5 times. First star, second star, third star, fourth star, and fifth star. So now open the Python ideally. Here type the Python program. So this is the Python program to print half period using stars. First save this program. Choose your suitable location and give the file name. Of pyramid.py and click on the save button. The program will be saved successfully on your Windows. In Python console, it will ask enter a number of rows. I will enter here the number of rows are 5. The output will be observed on the Python console. So now here at the end of this for loop, use the print function. So print of inside the print function, inside the parenthesis, range of I values, close the single quotation I. So what you can observe on the Python console, the range of the I values will be displayed on the Python console. I will check it. enter a number of rows 5. So range of I, first range of the I is equal to 0. Okay, 1 star will be printed, and range of I value is 1. So range of I value is 1, and the j value is 0, 0 to 2. So range of 0 to 2 means j is equal to 0 and j is equal to 1. It print 2 stars in the second row, and next I value is 2. So I value is 2. The range of the j is equal to 0 to 3. So range of 0 to 3 means j values are 0, 1, 2. 3 stars will be printed in third row. Next I value is 3 and the range of j is 0 to 4. So range of 0 to 4 mean j values are j is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 stars will be printed in fourth row and next I value is 4. So I is equal to 4. The range of the j is 0 to 5. So range of 0 to 5 means j values are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in the fifth row it will print 5 stars. So now here in the Python program here I give one um, one space. So now here I will give 3 space. So what you can observe on the Python console, enter the number of 5. So now here, so between these two stars space distance is 3 spaces. So that is the meaning of the this end is equal to inside the double quotation space. So now similarly in place of star I will use hash symbol. So write a Python program to print of pyramid using hash symbol. So what you can observe on the Python console, save the program and run the program. So enter the number of rows, the number of rows 5. Okay. In first row 1 hash is printed and the second row 2 hashes printed. Third row 3 hashes printed. Fourth row 4 hashes printed. Fifth row 5 hashes printed. And any symbol we can enter this print command. That symbol will be displayed on the Python console. Suppose for example I will enter this instead of hash symbol prakasam. So what you can observe on the Python console, the prakasam will be printed, entered number of rows 5, that one. So this is the example of half pyramid using symbols.